Hey guys, my name is Elmo and you're watching TechnoRight. What's going on guys, welcome to TechnoRight, where technology is done right. So in today's video we are going to be building a gaming PC. So we have a budget of $650, which is quite a big budget. So let's see what I can put together. Okay guys, coming in for the CPU, coming in at $113.74. we have the i3 8100. So it's the cheapest processor in the Coffee Lake family, I would say, and it has 4 cores guys. So I would say that a quad core processor is a minimum for a gaming PC nowadays. So yeah, I think it checks all the boxes. Okay, so moving on to the motherboard, we have the Gigabyte H370 HD380X motherboard. Okay, so this motherboard has an ATX form factor, so I would assume it has most bells and whistles that you need right now. For example, it has M.2 slot, 4 slots for RAM, and also it has a few PCIe slots. So yeah, it checks all the boxes and it comes at $100 guys. I'm saying that this is the best bang for your buck if you're picking up this board. Okay, so moving up to the most crucial part of the build, the memory. Due to memory prices right now, I really can't find a memory that is aesthetically pleasing and also gives the right performance for the price. So I can't find, but I did find the Gil Evo Potenza 8 gigs. It's a 2x4 kit, DDR4 at 2400 megahertz. It comes at $86, which is not bad in my opinion, but it will have to do. So you have 8 gigs, enough for the games that are released right now. So yeah, I think that's for the memory. So for the storage, as in all my previous builds, I would like to go with an SSD and a hard drive, mechanical hard drive. So for the SSD, we have the ADATA Premier SP550 120 gig SSD at $60. I would say it's pretty good for the performance that we're getting. Also for the mechanical hard drive, I went with the Hitachi Ultrastar 1TB 3.5 7200 RPM drive, and also at $37. I can't complain guys, this is still right there. Okay, so for the video card, so I would know people be giving me crap about this. Okay, so I went with the RX 560 4GB variant. So the main reason I went for this card is because of its price at $160. You can't find any card at this price range during the making of this particular video guys, so keep that in mind before you comment. So as if now, the GTX 1050 Ti is more than what it should be. So I'm waiting for the prices to come down, but the RX 560 would do perfect for this kind of PC build. And also you're getting 4 gigs of VRAM, which would help for the for loading the textures and whatnot. So yeah, that's a steal of a price. So in total, this beast of a system would consume about 260 watts of power. So I went with the most affordable power supply that I can find, is the EVGA 500 watt 80 plus bronze certified ATX power supply. coming at 45, just $46, just shy of $46. It's pretty good, guys. So you're getting 500 watts of pure power, and also you can not only run the system but also upgrade it in the future and still use this power supply. So yeah, 500 watts, it's more than enough. Okay, for the case to house this whole beautiful system, we have the Raid Max Vortex ATX mid tower case, coming in at $37. It's a good case for the price. It has a side panel window to show your beautiful build off, and yeah, it has 5.25 inch base for your DVD drive. So yeah, so I think that's about it, guys. We have a total of the base total for this PC is $648.43, which is really close to our budget, but we have managed to kept under it. But after mail and rebate, we have a total of $638.43, which is freaking awesome. So yeah, guys, if you want more builds, you can comment down below, and also you can state your budget, and I will try to come up builds for your budget, which would help you guys a lot, and also it will make my day. So yeah, I think that's about it, guys. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it, and yeah, please rate, comment and subscribe, and I'm out.